Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a trip to Rome and want to experience its beauty without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the Eternal City, exploring 15 stunning places that won't cost you a dime. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, Rome has it all. So, grab your map and let's get started. Number 1. Trevi Fountain. No visit to Rome is complete without tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to the city. This breathtaking masterpiece, dating back to ancient times, is a symbol of prosperity and romance. Designed by Italian architect Nicola Salvi, the fountain is located at the intersection of 3 roads, which explains its name Trevi. As you approach the fountain, the grandiose figure of Oceanos and his magnificent chariot captivate your attention. Whether you're visiting during the day or night, the Trevi Fountain's mesmerizing play of light and water is a sight to behold. Number 2. Spanish Steps. Next on our list are the Spanish Steps, an iconic meeting point for locals and tourists alike. These 135 steps connect Piazza di Spagna with Trinidad dei Monti Church, offering a charming spot to sit and enjoy the atmosphere. The steps got their name from the Spanish embassy, which used to be located at the square. At the foot of the steps, you'll find the Borghese Fountain, designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini's father, Pietro Bernini. The Spanish Steps are not only a popular gathering place, but also a fashion hotspot, attracting fashionistas and photographers alike. Number 3. Piazza Navona. A lively square with a rich history, Piazza Navona boasts stunning Baroque architecture and stunning fountains. Originally built on the site of the ancient stadium of Domitian, the square preserves its elongated shape and remains a vibrant hub for socializing. The centerpiece of Piazza Navona is the stunning Fountain of the Four Rivers, created by the famous sculptor Gian Lorenzo Bernini. The fountain represents the 4 great rivers of the known world: the Nile, the Ganges, the Danube, and the Rio de la Plata. This bustling square is always abuzz with street performers, artists, and vendors, creating an animated atmosphere that captivates visitors. Number 4. Villa Borghese Gardens. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city by strolling through the enchanting Villa Borghese Gardens. This vast green oasis offers picturesque views, tranquil lakes, and plenty of spots for a relaxing picnic. Once owned by the influential Borghese family, the gardens are now open to the public, offering a serene retreat from the bustling city streets. You can rent a bike or a rowboat to explore the gardens further, or simply enjoy a leisurely walk along the tree-lined paths. For art enthusiasts, don't miss the Galleria Borghese, which houses an impressive collection of sculptures and paintings by renowned artists such as Bernini and Caravaggio. Number 5. Piazza del Popolo. This impressive square, adorned with an ancient obelisk and stunning fountains, is a great starting point for exploring Rome. The Piazza del Popolo, or People's Square, was historically one of the main entrances to the city. The imposing twin churches, Santa Maria dei Miracoli and Santa Maria in Monte Santo, add to the square's charm. Take a moment to appreciate the Flaminio obelisk, an ancient Egyptian monument that has stood there since the reign of Ramses II. Piazza del Popolo offers an ideal spot for people watching, surrounded by grand architecture and a lively atmosphere. Number 6. Circus Maximus. History buffs will love visiting Circus Maximus, an ancient Roman chariot racing stadium. While the grandstands are mostly gone, the site's historical significance is palpable. In its prime, Circus Maximus could accommodate over 150,000 spectators, making it the largest stadium in ancient Rome. Today, the vast area is an open space, often used for concerts and public events. Walking through the ancient ruins, you can almost hear the thundering hooves of chariots and the clapping of the excited crowd that once filled this legendary venue. Number 7. Geniculum Hill. For panoramic views of Rome, head to Geniculum Hill. As the second tallest hill in the city, it offers a picturesque vantage point to capture Rome's beauty. Take a leisurely walk or a romantic evening stroll to the top, and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking vistas of the city's iconic landmarks. Among the highlights is the monumental statue of Giuseppe Garibaldi, a prominent Italian patriot and revolutionary leader whose heroic actions played a significant role in the unification of Italy. Number 8. Appia Antica. Venture outside the city walls to explore the ancient Appian Way, an iconic road that dates back to 312 BC. Often referred to as the Queen of Roads, this ancient thoroughfare was vital to Rome's expansion and trade. As you walk along the Appian Way, you'll encounter remnants of ancient tombs, catacombs, and ancient ruins, offering a fascinating glimpse into Rome's past. The serene and picturesque surroundings make it a popular spot for walking and cycling, allowing visitors to connect with history while enjoying the beauty of the Italian countryside. Number 9. Jardino degli Aranci. The Orange Garden. A romantic hidden gem, the Orange Garden offers a stunning view of St. Peter's Basilica and the Tiber River. As the name suggests, you'll find sweet-scented orange trees throughout the garden, adding to the enchanting ambience. The park's central terrace is home to a charming central fountain, while several sculptures and monuments are scattered throughout. This hidden gem is especially enchanting during sunset, offering a tranquil and intimate spot for couples and photographers alike. Number 10. Casa del Cinema. Film enthusiasts will delight in visiting Casa del Cinema, a cultural hub where you can watch classic films for free or attend exhibitions and events. This unique venue celebrates the art of filmmaking and often hosts movie screenings, film festivals, and discussions. If you're lucky, you might catch an outdoor screening in the garden, creating a magical atmosphere under the stars. Number 11. The Aventine Keyhole. A unique experience awaits you on the Aventine Hill. Peer through the famous Aventine Keyhole for a perfect view of St. Peter's Basilica framed by an enchanting garden. This picturesque site is a hidden gem, offering a perfect photo opportunity and a moment of tranquility amid the busy city. The Aventine Hill itself is a delightful neighborhood filled with charming streets, elegant villas, and beautiful gardens. Number 12. African Quarter. Quartier Africano, or the African Quarter, is a vibrant neighborhood with a distinct atmosphere. Explore its colorful streets, filled with street art and diverse cuisines. Known for its multicultural vibe, this area has become a hub for creativity and social gatherings. Wander through its narrow alleys to discover local boutiques, artisan shops, and quirky cafes that add to its unique charm. Number 13. Museo Carlo Bilotti. Art lovers shouldn't miss the chance to visit Museo Carlo Bilotti. Housed in Villa Borghese, this museum showcases a stunning collection of modern art, including works by renowned artists. Carlo Bilotti, an Italian-American art collector, generously donated his collection to the city of Rome, creating this intimate museum. You'll find masterpieces by artists like Giorgio de Chirico, Giacomo Balla, and Larry Rivers, among others. The museum's serene atmosphere, combined with its impressive art collection, makes it a hidden gem for those seeking a quieter and more contemplative experience. Number 14. Campo de Fiori. Campo de Fiori, a bustling market square that transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub after sunset. The name Campo de Fiori means field of flowers, and it was once a meadow before becoming a bustling market in the 19th century. Today, the square is home to a lively market, selling fresh produce, flowers, and local products. In the evening, the market stalls give way to bustling cafes and restaurants, where locals and tourists come together to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. This lively square is a testament to the spirit of Rome, vibrant, diverse, and full of life. Number 15. Villa Doria Pamphili. Nestled in the western part of Rome, Villa Doria Pamphili is a sprawling oasis of tranquility amidst the bustling city. As the largest public park in Rome, it offers a refreshing escape for locals and tourists alike. The villa's history dates back to the 17th century, when the noble Pamphili family transformed the area into an elegant estate. Today, visitors can wander through lush green spaces, charming walking paths, and picturesque lakes. The park's well-maintained gardens, adorned with statues and fountains, provide a serene setting for relaxation and contemplation. Villa Doria Pamphili is also a cultural treasure, housing historic buildings and hosting occasional open-air concerts and events. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll, a family picnic, or simply a moment of respite, Villa Doria Pamphili is the perfect destination to recharge and connect with nature while exploring the historical heritage of Rome. Rome is a city of endless wonders, and these 15 free attractions are just the beginning of what it has to offer. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and that it inspires you to explore the eternal city without breaking your budget. Remember to take your time to savor the history, art, and charm of each destination. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!